Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on Friday said the nearly rupees 200 crore cash recovered from perfume maker Piyush Jain is not BJP money, as she defended the timing of the tax rates, saying they were based on actionable intelligence. Speaking to reporters after the GST Council meeting today, she said law enforcing agencies act on actionable intelligence in conducting raids. It is not BJP money, she said when asked about opposition charge that the rupees 197 crore cash recovered from perfume maker Piyush Jain in UP's Kannauj was her party's money, and the tax authorities had raided the person by mistake and are now raiding the other Jain they had originally wanted to target. She said the former Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav is shaken by the raids as she sought to defend the action. Moving on to the next news, all samples from metro cities that have tested positive for COVID are being sent for genome sequencing, government sources said today, amid fears over an Omicron-driven third wave. In India, 18% of recently tested samples had the new variant. In Delhi, the new variant, said to be highly infectious, has been found in 50% of the samples that tested positive since December 12, sources in the Health Ministry said, confirming the community spread of Omicron in the national capital. Delhi has recorded 9 COVID deaths this month, the highest in the last 4 months, as the national capital continues to see a worrying surge in cases. On Thursday, 1,313 new infections were logged, the biggest daily surge in 7 months. Moving on to the next news. Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav has alleged that central agencies are being misused to target the opposition and said he will approach the Election Commission and the President over the issue. After Samajwadi Party MLC and perfume baron Pushparaj Jain was raided by the Income Tax Department, Party chief Akhilesh Yadav alleged that the central agencies were being misused to target the opposition and said he would approach the Election Commission and President Ramnath Kovind in this regard. I will write to the EC and the President of India about how central agencies are being misused to target the opposition and make a mockery of democracy, Akhilesh Yadav said. Moving on to the next news. In view of the rising Omicron cases in Mumbai, the Maharashtra government issued a notification on Friday extending restrictions in Mumbai till January 15. As per the restrictions under Section 144 of the Code of Criminal Procedures, the Mumbai police has prohibited citizens from visiting beaches, open grounds, sea faces, promenades, gardens, parks or similar public places from 5 pm to 5 am. The state government has also capped the attendance in open or closed spaces at 50 people. Earlier, not more than 100 persons in enclosed spaces and 250 persons in open spaces were permitted to attend wedding functions or social, cultural, political and religious gatherings. Moving on to the next news, the government on Friday announced that there is no proposal to extend the deadline for filing income tax returns beyond its current deadline of December 31st. Revenue Secretary Tarun Bajaj said that December 31st, 2021 remains the official deadline for filing of income tax returns. This means that the last date for filing income tax returns for the financial year or assessment year is today, December 31st, 2021. Failing to file returns before the official deadline can attract penalties up to Rs 5,000.